What is up, traders? Today I'm letting you in a powerful AI trading session that turned $500 into $5,500 plus in under 10 minutes. And no, that isn't hype. This is calculated real-time AI power execution happening right in front of your eyes. If you have been struggling with initial results and making emotional trades, this is the moment to rethink your game plan. Let me show you how the AI bot works. Here we are on Power Option. I have got the PremiumTradingAlgo.Bot running and it's already scaling in the market structure, momentum and key price levels. This bot changes trade markets, it waits, it watches and it strikes only when it sees the perfect opportunity. And we have got one now. We are starting with $500 position. The bot detected a bounce near a key support zone and confirmed it with real-time volume pressure. Trade placed. 1 minute timer, start now. What I love about this bot is that it doesn't panic, it emotionless, it makes decisions purely based on data and adapts to the market shift instantly. And there it is, first win. Now let's go. The bot just picked up another high probability setup at a resistance breakout level. I am placing the next trade using the full balance. This is how smart compounding works. We increase only when the system confirms these strong setups, no blind risks. AI takes away the fear, the hesitation, and that's exactly why this works consistently. Boom, trade hits again, 2 trades, 0 strat. This is automated trading at its best. One final trade for this session. The bot identified a pullback opportunity and entered at the right moment. Let's lock this in. This bot isn't just code, it's a full strategy built around market patterns, smart entries and risk control. No shortcuts, just results. Yes, final win locked in and we are ending the session. That's a profit and it took less than 10 minutes of screen time. If this opened your eyes to smarter trading, it's time to act. Head to our website, link is in the description and try our Premium Trading Algo AI bot yourself. We are offering demo sessions and support to help you get started without pressure. Let the tech do the heavy lifting, and while you focus on the bigger picture, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more transparent trading content, and comment if you want a deep dive into this strategy. This is Premium Trading Algo AI, where smart traders win with the smart tools. See you in the next session.